Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this Tuesday night, 8:30 p.m. It's time to start our webinar. All right. I hope the music inspires you. So those of you who are new here, right, welcome. And those of you who are here many times, welcome back. And if you are here many times and you enjoy and find value in this webinar, please help me share this out, okay? Our mokpil high 1,000. Now it's only 227. It is very sad, very sad. We need to see more people. Okay, we need to see more people so that there's growth, always growth mentality. In whatever you do in life, it must be growing. If whatever you do in life is not growing, it's not even worth your time. You better sleep late into the morning. Okay, just like in stocks, trading, investment, your account must grow. If your account wants to grow, you must look for the stock that will grow. Make sense to you? Okay, let's start. So the first stock we're going to talk about today, hi what? Hi Wilma, hi Wilma. Let's talk about Wilma lah. Just now I saw someone ask about Wilma. This one is I think we have spoken about Wilma a couple of times and they have reported earnings. Okay, Wilma reported earnings. Of the three catalysts, the first two catalysts came through, it inspires the earnings, and Wilma now is legit, has already breakout of the downtrend, guys, breakout of the downtrend. So if you can, you buy before it is at 450 will be best. Buy here will be best. So you must be there early. You don't be late. You late here, right? If you today you ask, hey, Wilma still can buy or not? Can, but not now lah. You need to wait for the more higher probability technical setup. This is not a technical setup anymore. This is to reward people who know how to buy here. So those of us who got in early, ride the bloody trend, man. Okay, just ride the trend. Based on the earnings, so far so good. No cock up by Wilma. So watch out for the sugar price. Watch out for the palm oil price. So long these two fellas don't come down by next February, again we expect Wilma to announce a better set of earnings. Now, Adani IPO should be later this year, will be announced already. The process, the status currently is processing. Okay, processing. So we expect the news for IPO coming in to give Wilma a kick in the backside. One thing about Wilma you need to take care of is the Yihai. Yihai company in China is not doing well. Okay, but the market didn't pay attention to this Yihai. So therefore, no problem. It's still on the way up. Currently into resistance zone, into 450s. As you can see, it has struggled over here. 1, 2, 3 resistance. So it's now trading into the resistance. And let's look forward for Wilma to break the resistance. It may be this week, it may be next week, but up it should be going because the earnings is strong and so long no tapa from the market lah. Okay, so right now if you go and look at the weekly chart, you can see that Wilma is on the way up. Okay, Wilma is on the way up. So yeah, 450 is a resistance. Doesn't make sense to buy a resistance, and also I dislike buying breakout of this 450. Reason being, right, I find Singapore stocks is better to buy when it's low. Buy low, sell high works better in Singapore stock because we do not have the kind of velocity, okay, that will propel stock upwards easily 10, 20, 30%. Okay, in Singapore market, you see your stock up 2%, you touch already in a day. Most of the time is point something or 1% slowly going up. Wilma today is up 2%, okay? But most of the stock is only less than 2% up, touch already. All right, so this is the facts of trading Singapore stock. Slow but steady, Sing dollar firm, so you don't risk your currency as well. Okay, so Wilma, looks good. Let's go. Next stock, guys. Next stock. Jaffa. Okay, wow, so many of you hood Jaffa. Let's talk about Jaffa. Okay, Jaffa is very disappointing. Earnings is cui. Earning is lousy. See, remove one star already. I think the earnings is in already, updated already. Okay, earnings is updated already. You can see that it's a drop in the earnings. Woo. Okay, reason being the lockdown in Indonesia. Okay, I better write this down. I think every week there will be people ask about Jaffa. So let me position my mic properly because last week when I talked halfway, right, I lost the mic connection and everybody couldn't hear me. Just give me 1 second. Let me position my mic nicely. Hey, 么转不了 ？OK， 搞定。Okay, I hope you can hear me loud and clear. Okay, so we have got Viet Indon lockdown. Okay, that causes the slowdown in the earnings. So this is one catalyst that needs to be removed. Then we will expect their earnings to recover. So based on the chart, although today you can see very high volume coming in to buy not Wilma, Jaffa, the damage is done. It's now currently trading the range. So at most, it will still be inside this range, ding dong, 68, 74, 68, 74. So if you are someone who's game for a range trade, now today candle definitely qualify a bounce on the support with high volume. Okay, in any technical analysis textbook, mark high. This high shall be your level to watch. If tomorrow it continue to propel forward with good volume, it could bounce. Okay, it could bounce only because there's no catalyst for Jaffa yet. So therefore, it could only bounce. So bounce as high as you can. If cannot, betahan come down, then you have to get rid of Jaffa. Okay, so if you want to do range trade, do not buy and you kill to sell at 74. That means you aim to 74. No 74, no sell, then you may be greatly disappointed if you break this cliff. But currently, it is highly supported by the high volume. Take a look at the weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart, if we finish this way by Friday, this is called a hammer pattern, which is good. Okay, which is good. So, but this is just Tuesday, guys. So it could still continue to close by Friday. So watch out if you are interested in Jaffa. Okay, so let's see. Sarintech, what happened? Sarintech got something happen, meh? 你冇嚇我啊 Sarintech 冇咧冇大志咧 Sarintech is still nice. It is still the kind of chart I like. Okay, now you see guys, I know a lot of people who wants to make fast money. Me too. Don't get me wrong, me too. But we have to be realistic. We cannot dictate the stock that we buy go up immediately. It is subjected to the market sentiment, subjected to the market buy-sell force. So therefore, once you buy a good stock, you are confident in the stock, you have done your homework. If the stock doesn't look bearish, then you just have to wait. Okay, you just have to wait. There is no two-way about it. Okay, so this is Sarintech. Currently, it still looks good. It still looks okay. You can see all the volume spike with buyer in control. So therefore, I will still continue to find it a bullish chart. Now, I think I have mentioned this a couple of times. This bounce on the moving average, okay, moving average, on the trend line, uptrend line, it is still valid bounce. And I would wish that the bounce comes with higher volume. It will be better if it comes with higher volume. But the volume the market dealt us, you see, we need to respect market. We cannot expect the market to do what we want. We want high volume. That means I'm more convinced that the buyers are back, but it is only giving me such a low volume trending higher. I take it, okay? And I take it one candle at a time. So currently the last two candles, let's talk about last week. Last week, volume is not very low. Therefore, I'm a bit disappointed, but it doesn't make the chart bearish yet. Okay, and then you take a look at this week. It's only on a Tuesday night. So therefore, you have got until Friday to 振作起来. You have got until Friday to 振作起来. Why Friday cannot go up? By Friday cannot go up? Possible still. Also, just remain patient, and so long it doesn't break any support, and it is still doing a Dow theory, higher low all the way higher low. Also, therefore, just be patient. Okay, with Sarintech. UMS. Okay, we talk about semiconductor. Wow, today very happening. All the semiconductor bloody wake up already, Okay, of course, the first, okay, we talk about UMS first. UMS, let me see, what did I draw on top? Okay, nothing on top. Okay, so UMS today, it is like a shakeout of the wick holders. Those who want to sell, sold, and then the stock close higher, which is good. Okay, we see this lower tail is always good. It means there are buyers. The price rejection is very strong. So we have got a significant white candle over here to signify the buyers are coming in. We are waiting for that elusive long white candle. If that long white candle comes in, then it should be signaling that UMS is about to go higher. Now, how do we know whether it's going to go higher or go lower? Take a look at the weekly chart lah. If you find the weekly chart bearish, then you don't buy lor. If you find the weekly chart is bullish, hit the like button. Come on. My voice is loud and soft, loud and soft again and again. Is it? Maybe I am too excited lah. I speak too loud. You see, my voice soft. Wow, when members say, that means I must pay attention already. 點會咁嘅? One moment, guys. One moment. Let me just make sure my microphone is okay. Mic test. 1, 2, 3. Okay, echo cancellation 順了啦，不要啦。Automatically adjust mic volume 不要啦。Mic volume loudest 聽得到了沒有？大家 Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, guys? Is it loud? Is it better now? Is it better now? Can you hear me loud and clear now? It is fine now, I can hear, everybody can hear, and maybe it's because of Facebook lah. Facebook recently got a lot of problem, okay, so you can hear me, Okay, let's go. Let's do it. UMS. So you can see a lot of people saw UMS and find the chart bullish. Why is it bullish? Pulling back on low volume. So therefore, coming on the back of high volume. So therefore, it is still a bullish chart. Today, it is lagging. Okay, today it is lagging. Okay, but don't write UMS off yet. Okay, you can see Franken is the one that wake the bloody hell up. Okay, it went up and then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Go 9 candle, 9 days of nothingness. It went 9 days of nothingness. And then today, wake the hell up. Okay, so we are expecting this semicon to finally fulfill its potential. Okay, all the data coming in is showing me that the semiconductors company should be making profit, should be making money. So in November, they will be announcing earnings one by one. AEM, Franken, UMS, ISDN. So we do expect them to perform. Okay, now we come back to UMS. Sure, very loud, Great. Okay, UMS, let's see what else I want to update you. Okay, based on the ranking, you can see all of their earnings are no problem. All are going up one. Okay, all are going up one. So therefore, it is it is expected to go up lah. Now there is this resistance at 138. So at 132, I'm not worried. I'm more worried about 138. Can it break 138 or not? Okay, that is what we are looking at. If you can break 138, wholesale. Okay, now AEM, we cover all the semiconductor stock one shot lah. AEM. So those of you who got friend, 400. Today we got 400. Can we have 600 tonight? 600. Help me share this out, please. Thank you very much. 600. Okay. If not, I forever people yen cannot catch Wang Lei 1,000 Wang Lei more than 1,000 I try to catch 1,000 first first milestone. Okay， 帮个忙，大家帮个忙，分享出去，把视频分享出去。Okay, AEM is now slowly climbing up on consistent volume, so all is fine. Now remember, guys, I think I spoke about this pattern for the past 1, 2, 3. For the past 3 months, I've been saying AEM, this consolidation is bullish. Okay, is bullish. So therefore, after the consolidation, it should be breaking upwards, and so it did. The most obvious point is it has finally closed above 420 after trying for 3 months. So this is a very significant milestone by AEM. It could be gearing up for more upside. Okay, first level to clear, of course, 430. If it can burst through 430, wow, 460, 囊中之物. Okay, it's poised to go higher. So let us cross our finger until our fingers cramp that AEM, please 加油. Let's take a look at the projection. Okay, you can see 炒 450. I like stocks. Okay, I mentioned this many times, but I want to reiterate. I like stocks that are before the 10%. This is for half a year. Half a year. Okay, so the November earnings coming in is only an update for Q3. Q4 will be announced in February. So February, we expect it to go up to 450, should be no problem. Okay, before for the right industry. Barring any suicide message by FOMC meeting, which is tonight or tomorrow night. So this AEM, forgot to show Franken. Franken, you can see 238 is the 10%. So we are very close to this 238. But if Franken can grow more than 10% in the next earnings, which is February, remember February, November is just a business update. So long November earnings, they mention nothing bearish but bullish, then it should have no problem to go up to February. Along the way, there could be down days, down weeks, but so long our 目标, our objective is by February, this fella should be trading above 238, then that should be a very clear direction for us. Okay, so that is the few semiconductor stock. Hey, let me share with you my market strength index. Now, good news, guys, good news. Now, this is the green zone where stocks rally off October. So for the whole month of October, we've got a lot of stocks go up. We've got coal stock in the coal industry. We've got stocks in the oil and gas industry. We've got blue chips are up. Okay, blue chips. Your banks are up. Your airlines, your SIA, your SES, your SIA engineering are up. Your Wilmar is up. Okay, so now, as I said before, in the green zone, if it's coming down, we expect market to rotate through the different industries. So now we are looking at what? Semiconductor could lead the next round up. That is why I think November, I said many times, this could be the best month to make money. But October came earlier. So October, your portfolio should have generated cash. Okay, so now we hope that the market continue to rotate itself up in November so that we have a very good 6 to 8 weeks of happiness. Now, notice 6 to 8 weeks of happiness only, because after the earnings is over, market will be subjected to wild swings again. December, usually there will be a low. Okay, so only the next few weeks is going to be a good week. Okay, I cannot say well. I cannot say well. It's not fair. I cannot predict. But from the looks of it, now let me show you where the confidence comes from. This is the market strength index. So if you go to sets, oops, sorry, this is the warrant. You go to sets, you can see that we are trending up. This is higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. They move up in October, so now it's time for them to rest. Okay, they pull back to consolidate to rest and 顺便 close the gap support. Now, if it can so you must watch. If it can continue to go up, so you must remember this pattern, guys. Okay, this is called uptrend. This is Dow theory. Higher high, higher low. This is trend. So you can see SETS is doing that. Okay, you can see SIA engineering is doing that. Okay, wait. Okay, you can, this one is very wavy. Like that, see, it's easier. You can see generally it's higher low going up, and you can see SIA is trending up. You can see Capricorn is trending up. Okay, this is too narrow. Let me expand the chart. Can you see it's going up, higher low? So long the blue chips maintain higher lows, we have got a good shot at the market going to continue to move up in November. So long, we still continue to see higher low. Now you can see all these stocks, these blue chips that just I've shown you, they are doing the higher low, and the sector semiconductor took over and today went up. So this is what we call market rotation. You follow me? Okay, so if you understand, hit. Okay, if you understand, comment yes. Come on, comment yes. Not market stress index, is market strength index. 千位 this one is not 搞笑行动嘞 here is 股票研究所 so we must be serious if you understand must comment yes 黄好运 yes SGX okay SGX so come let's talk about SGX okay now if you see SGX okay SGX it has broken the downtrend line resistance okay now this was yesterday so today bloody hell come back down with high volume so this is definitely no good okay but what you must know is if you want to do position trading in SGX okay that means you're going to buy you need to hold this position for the long term and then on the way up you do DCA then no problem okay if you are thinking to trade short term then this is definitely no good it is telling us that it may pull back we have to watch the next few candles Wednesday Thursday Friday now I am pretty sure guys listen up very very carefully guys I am pretty sure Thursday the stock market will be fine we will not go down I swear by my life okay I use my life to swear you see how serious I am Thursday you have my word I guarantee the market will not go down okay so it is only Wednesday and Friday so Wednesday and Friday if this fella doesn't come down then it should be fine okay I'm that confident to tell you Thursday it should be fine we should not come down okay understand bro everybody understand Thursday I am very 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 sure it will not come down Hi lah, Thursday is the public holiday ma. How will it come down leh? Ay, wow, you all know already lah. Oh my joke. Tomorrow night, one more round. Tomorrow, Malaysia, Pusa webinar. I'm going to do it one more time. Say, I'm guaranteed tomorrow will come down. Okay, so SGX. Okay, so now the other thing you want to understand is SGX for it to pull back. Okay, let's see how far it pull back already. SGX pull back to this low is about 22%. Okay, you have got 22% to the upside. Also, anything but back quarter all that already priced in. So if the next next 2 months the stock market has got very good volume going up, more activities, then trading transaction volume go up, we should expect SGX to report better earnings. Okay, so therefore I find this range should be fine. You cannot buy exactly at the low. Okay, guys, let's be realistic. You cannot buy at the low. That means you want to buy here, bounce up and go up. You buy around here good enough. You understand or not? Also, that is how I look at it. Okay, for SGX. So next 2 trading session, Wednesday, Friday, we see how it close. Okay, don't write it off yet. Okay, don't write it off yet. By Friday, Scully give you one long white candle, SGX should be on the way up. Okay, and we simply take a look at the bank. Banks very strong, your banks. I think they're going to report good earnings. You see, like a choo-choo train, keep going higher. Banks after the breakout of 30.59 go all the way up to 32 and it doesn't look like stopping for DBS. Okay, come next stop. 杨枝江完蛋了，杨枝江好可怜啊。Now 杨枝江 right, let me update you. 杨枝江 yesterday reported earnings and it is very disappointing. I never put notes. Okay, 杨枝江today gap down because of the earnings. They have registered more revenue but their profit margin squeezed. It's only 16% from 27%, if I'm not wrong, 11% drop. And they cited higher raw material price into their profit margin. Okay, and this is a very common reason for a lot of companies that are exposed to the China market right now because labor costs up, material costs up, energy costs up, so they will be pressured. Their bottom line will be pressured. So therefore, Yang Zhejiang succumb to it. I'm also very surprised. Suddenly go down. So therefore, for the next earning, you have to watch the steel price. Okay, the raw material price, if China side keep going higher and higher, and then you will expect Yang Zhejiang earning to be hit. No doubt it has secured $8 billion worth of contract. But if the steel price is up 60-70% from the point where they secure the contract, that means the high steel price is not factored into the contract, you know. So it will into the profit margin and market will not like it. Okay, so that is my view on Yang Zhejiang. You have to watch out. Don't get complacent. I know it's easy to say Yang Zhejiang is a good company, whole long term. This whole long term is a very poisonous word. Let me show you. Okay, Yang Zhejiang 幾十年前is 2007 is where the last marine cycle bull market was. And from there, can you see from 170 drop all the way to 10 cents? 20 cents? Okay, so do not be complacent, say that, oh, never mind lah, I hold lah, Yang Zhejiang is a good company. Or if you want to hold long term, can. Make sure you follow the company closely. Whatever material they are using, make sure you know, and then you go and check the price. So if it continue to go higher, you know their earnings is going to be pressured. Okay. Now, one more thing I spotted from their earnings is their revenue, they achieve gains, but they have one-time non-recurring sale of the 2 vessels. Without that, actually the revenue never grew that much, which means their profit will be even lower. So that is what I find. Wow, this Yang Zhejiang不可以掉以轻心啦，要小心。Okay, must be careful. There must be a reason why the earnings drop so much versus the revenue. So, and some more is a 中国 company, 中国公司就要小心啦。你看9天。差点送人家去西天呢。9天now is 8 cents, right? 8 cents people 大個真獨講but last time is $2 stock. I show you. Actually, I'm not young anymore lah. Therefore, I remember. Okay, after all the adjustment, now it's 70 cents. The highest was 70 cents 9天，不要开玩笑。So therefore China share, you have to be careful. All the China senior China Hongxing China they are all key chow already. So therefore, Yang Zhejiang, since you're not making money, anyway, I got other stock to buy, so I give it up. Okay, right, next stop. First Resources. Bumi Tama. Oh, one more thing I want to share with all of you. UG Healthcare. Ayo. How many of you are still inside glove stock here? Comment yes. How many of you are still in glove stock? I got bad news for you. I have a bad news for you. Okay. Okay, let's go. UG Healthcare, okay, and all the glove stock. Today, one of the Malaysia company called Hatta, H-A-R-T-A, Hatta Lega. So this is one of the top world top, I will say top 3. One of the top 3 big boys in manufacturing the glove. Today it announced its earnings, and the earning is okay. The data is not updated here yet because it just announced in the lunchtime. The earning is 吹. You know what is 吹? No, 烂. Okay. Actually, it's already priced in. So what happened to the glove stock in Malaysia will relate to your UG Healthcare, will relate to your Riverstone. Okay, so all the glove company reported similar sentiment. Let me find the content for you. Just give me one moment. I'm going to dig my notes for the content. I have it out in the Telegram today, So okay, so for Hatta, right? They registered a decrease of 27% in the average selling price of the glove compared to Q1 financial year 2022. So average selling price of glove is coming down, and the increase of raw material price, that eat into the profit margin. So therefore, these are the 2 reasons why you have to be careful. And the demand for the gloves is also starting to tapering down. Okay, because there is a lot of supply from the major glove maker as well as moderating demand because their customers are adjusting the inventories. because of the declining prices. So they don't want to maybe buy so much at this price. They want to wait for price lower to buy. And anyway, now it's called post-pandemic. The demand is no longer so strong. So therefore, a lot of this adjustment going on, average selling price coming down. So going forward, when is it safe to buy all these glove stock? Is when the earnings stabilize. You see no more decline, and the average selling price has stable. That is the time to look at them. So this is reported by Hata, the first glove stock that reported. So you can go and see your UG and your Riverstone. Okay, I'm going to put the stock side by side so that you understand. Okay, so you can see both of them are coming down, guys. So these are listed in Singapore. Of course, Top Glove also listed in Singapore. That one, no brainer. Don't touch first. This one also the same. Now, the other thing I need to highlight to you, because you are in Singapore, you may not know what's going on in Malaysia. If these two companies, if I'm not wrong, they are Malaysian companies, but they are listed in Singapore. Okay, they have how do you call it? They have the prosperity tax. Last Friday was Malaysia Budget Day. So one of the items that causes the market to sell off on Monday was this prosperity tax. Any company that reported more than 100 million in net income, right? 100 million, Riverstone qualify, UG Healthcare also qualify. Both of them more than 100 million for sure, are they? Okay, so therefore they will be subjected to a one-time prosperity tax. The market didn't like it and sold down. So Riverstone and UG Healthcare, in case you're wondering, wow, Antua yesterday only bearish because of the prosperity tax, guys. Okay, so this is the little update for you guys in Singapore who are holding on to the glove stocks. I find that I should update you because I monitor both markets. So this information is quite important. All right, so 100 million is bad news now. Okay, so that's the glove stock. Let's go. Next stock. Sri Trang Agro, is it gone case? I think all the glove stock, okay, you must understand business fundamentals. How does a company make money? Okay, business, or this one also gone now. How does the company make money, guys? Okay, how does a company make money? Either you either you increase the product price, okay, or you sell more, okay, you sell to more customer. You sell to more customer or you increase the product price. So these are the two. Another one is expand territory lah. But in the case of glove stock, these are the two things. Okay, now number one, increase the product price cannot happen anymore because average selling price is lower, so it will affect Sri Trang as well. When you talk about selling to more customer, the pandemic is over soon. There is slowing demand and there are a lot of supply. So therefore, both factors will not happen, and that is why the share price will come lower. Okay, so this is Sri Trang. Come, next stop. Samudera 可以吗 Christina Lee, let's see. Samudera 本来是很可以的嘞，本来是很可以的。Okay, yesterday was full of promise, today is full of bullshit. Now, why I say bullshit? Walao wei, this one definitely is a high volume and didn't close it. The logic, guys, when Samudera yesterday trade at 4.3 million, on this day when my cursor is, when it trade at 1.9 million, the candle is up at least 3.6%, 5.5%. Today, Samudera trade at 3.5%. Instead of at least give us a 3% white candle, it bloody give us a black candle, go Belkin. Give us a long upper tail. Long upper tail, it is called a shooting star in Japanese candlestick. It is a bearish pattern. Okay, so we do have to be careful of Samudera pulling back again. So this is no choice. Market there, this card just have to stick with it. Now the thing is, need to watch for the Wednesday and Friday. So if Wednesday and Friday it didn't close lower, maybe go chance. Take a look at the weekly chart. You go to a longer time frame, you can see that although on the daily chart there's one shooting star, right? Weekly chart still okay. Friday, don't go and close at 56. You close 56 or lower, then this chart 超升 already. Okay, if it close 56 and lower, this chart 超升 already. Also, it is not game over yet. With this strong volume today, yes, it is a concern, but it could also be selling has been well absorbed, then sets up for a wonderful Wednesday and Friday. Okay, so therefore, keep the faith. Okay, keep the faith. 47, wow, 30% upside already, but that is for February lah. Okay, so therefore, this is some Modera for you. Next stop, next stop. OIO, I got story to share. OIO. Okay, OIO is a crypto stock in Singapore. So they have placement at 55 cents. Okay, they have placement about 55 cents to some Japanese contact associates of the company CEO. So initially, I thought this 55 cents will hold. We don't go lower than that. If not, those people who take the placement at 55 cents will correct or not? What allow you place to me at 55 cents, then the share price go below that. Mana calling, right? But in the end, I see that it keep coming down with low volume. This kind of stock, to me, fundamentals, I am not very sure. It is not Franken, it is not AEM, it's not Wilma. I no confident. I don't have any strong conviction to hold the stock through the pullback. Okay, so these are the ones which if 不小心 right, it can continue to pull on low volume pull until your whole pants come off. I have experienced it before in my decade of trading. So therefore, I make it a habit. If this fella is pulling back on low volume and it doesn't quickly continue the trend, right, for penny stock, for stocks that the earnings I'm not confident one, I will quickly get out. So if you ask me, can it continue to pull over? My answer to you is I have seen it happen before. Okay, it can pull until everybody give up, suddenly come back up again. Also, this one you have to factor in. Then this is the very obvious low, which is the 44 cents. Okay, it's a very obvious low. Since OIO already coming down for 3 consecutive weeks, okay, I think it will come and visit 44 cents. It's like a magnet. The whole market know that is the support. this边就有一个 good example 嘛. You see, it went up, right? High volume, right? Suddenly pull back, lower and lower volume. Angmo, English song, there's one song dedicated to this kind of action. It's called Killing Me Softly. Then out of nowhere, give you hope. Then after that, 过来了. So this is a very difficult stock. I rather go and look for your Capital Corp lah, Sembcorp, all that lah, easier lah. Sembcorp not Sembcorp Marine Hosim is Sembcorp Industry. Sembcorp Marine don't touch lah. A lot of people like to ask Sembcorp Marine, I say, 何必呢？明知山有虎，何必给老虎咬？ Along the way down, don't touch lah. Why die must try to pick bottom? Don't touch lah. This one plenty of problem waiting to implode correct or not? What take over and all that? 算了吧. Look for something easier lor. You look at the father lah. Sorry. Sembcorp Marine and Sembcorp Industry already divorced. So look for the ex-father lah, the stepfather, Sembcorp Industry. Okay. This one at least going up uptrend clean energy play. So this one easier lah. Okay. You go to the daily chart, you see, right? It had broken the downtrend, right? So a new trend is born, guys. A new trend is born. I take a look at this shooting star. Quantable shooting star. And after that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 candles, lower and lower volume. So, bossy. In trading or in investment, right? There is a Hokkien statement, idiom to follow. It's called bo lo 就是爱 key. Understand not? Bo lo 就是爱 key. Okay, so this is Sembcorp Industry. So let's see what else. Silver Lake. Let's do iFast. Okay, iFast, we used to joke about the Citigroup analyst wow, mana zai this Citigroup analyst 嘴巴很臭 Basket $10 stock now selling for $8.63 and it doesn't look like it's going to go up. Remember, Citicorp analysts say that target price is $7. How did the Citigroup analysts get to $7? Today, I share with you. I hope it doesn't scare you until at night you cannot sleep. Look at this. Okay. This is called a PE. The blue line is called PE, which is the price to earning ratio. Now, back in first half 2021, where my cursor is, 2021, you could see that, I just directly come here. Okay, you can see that iFast that time, right? The low of the trading range over here, okay, about 60 times PE. That time was trading about 60 times PE, but earning was strong, so it gap up, it fly. Okay, it fly. So as it fly higher, PE gets higher. This is the formula. PE will go higher. So when it reaches $10, right, the PE is 90 over time. So people who buy at $10 really never check blind spot. I always say, wow, all-time high stock, 很难消化 because buy low, sell high, everybody know, buy low, sell high can make money. So below the low to buy is better. Okay, so again, Citigroup analyst target $7. Okay, so how you get $10? See, this is the last PE where iFast had traded before, so it's 60 over times. Now, this is the earnings per share, 10.9 cents. So if you take 65, okay, I repeat again. 吓死人I tell you. 65 times PE multiply by 109. You get $7. Now, reason why 65 times? Because if iFast, you can see the earnings growth, right? It's getting slower. Can you see the earnings velocity, right? From Q3 20 to Q4 20. Oh, look at the big jump. Look at the big jump. But once to come to Q2 21, wow, jump a bit only. Q3 21, jump a bit only. So if a fast growth stock suddenly not fast anymore, iFast not fast anymore, okay, the PE of 90 over time is too expensive. So market will adjust lower. Okay, market expectation will adjust lower. So how to adjust lower? Price come down. So if price come down to sub 60, right? Wow, you get your $7. Then we can all go and pray to that Citigroup analyst. If iFast go to $7, you all know who to look for the Citigroup analyst. The $7. Okay, so this one is like, wow, mind-blowing. So when I see this, right, I use 65 times to go in times. This is the last time it registered a very strong growth. So market still okay. I give you June, July period. Okay, so you are about 70 over time PE. Then earning come out, jump. 80, 90 PE. Then when the earning flattish, come down. Okay, so this one, watch out. If you don't have, maybe can build lower. If you have, ask your broker what to do. Right, next stock, First Resources. Plantation stock, First Resources. Okay, turn off the PE now. Distracting. Wow. Definitely is technical weakness, and this is the RTS level. So it's trading near the RTS level right now. Okay, it's trading at the RTS level right now. So if you want to, I got to do homework on First Resources, higher palm oil price and also higher export taxes. Okay, export taxes. So for First Resources, it is still on the way down. Okay, you can see the weekly chart is still bullish. Okay, but it's still on the way down. So wait for the BIC pattern to be safer. Okay, wait for the BIC pattern. Currently, Sibola, Bumi, Tama. Okay, Bumi Tama also don't have the BIC yet. So probably, okay, you must remember plantation stock, wow, go up like crazy. Already go up a lot, like 47 to 55 cents. Then you have got First Resources also go up very strong. I think if you do not have this plantation stock, 算了吧. See, went up so strong, 140 to 180 went up so strong. Let's check the earnings, 好吗? Let's check the earnings. So, 每当我碰到这种难题I will come here and check for a peace of mind. So 169 is between my first to second level projection in my PIPS table for the earnings. This company is going to announce earnings in Q4 earnings in February. Okay, February. So still got a long time to go. So hopefully you can get below, okay, below 160, so that it's closer to the first projection. Then it will be even better. Now, this is on the premise that the plantation oil, the palm oil price doesn't drop too much. Okay, maintain around 5,000 ringgit per ton should be good. Should be good. Okay, the demand is still there. So right now, I think it is still okay. It has okay. This is called a gap. This is called a gap support. This is called a gap support. Okay, so it has now traded into the gap support. So in my view, if it can trade sideways and show you BIC below, okay, if you can trade sideways and show you BIC below, then around this price range, right, perhaps you can set up your trading plan. Okay, I saw that it's coming down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive days oversold already. So if you can show me some BIC pattern over here, that will be beautiful. Okay, that will be beautiful. So we shall wait and see. Okay, so right now we have got 450 packs of you 不够嘞，加起来680。Why cannot break 1,001? Week in, week out, still only 450. 来帮个忙嘞，帮个忙大家。Fortress Minerals， 你就看到了啦 ，sell on news sell on news. So there is no BIC, don't touch first. Iron ore is coming down. Okay, iron ore price is coming down. So all the steel stock, all the iron ore stock, like Fortress Mineral is supplying iron ore. So iron ore price is coming down. Everything got weakness lah. So therefore, it's not the time to take this bugger yet. Now, when you buy Fortress Mineral, if you want to own Fortress Mineral, right, you must remember this one is a commodity stock. It is doing steel, it's doing iron ore. So their prices has effect on Fortress Mineral. And you cannot just say that, oh, I think steel price is going to stay at a high. Next quarter results should be good. You hold. Well, if the iron ore price and steel price keep coming lower, how can the earnings be good? So this kind of stock, 烦死人啊, very, very 麻烦 one. You need to go and check that bloody commodity price. Make sure that it is not like in a downtrend. If in a downtrend, break support and all that, right? The stock, the company that is dealing with the commodity will go down, will go down. So 很烦. So this kind of company, not my favorite actually, not my favorite to trade. I prefer those that sell product. Those are like right now, right? Semiconductor, banks, those are easier. And Propnex. Let's talk about Propnex. Well, Propnex is Propnex and APEC Realty is very easy. Okay, it's very easy. So you can see the chart, right? Immediately you open up. Okay, immediately you open up, you can see that there's no stress. When you look at Fortress Mineral, walao wei, you feel the stress. You feel the stress. You go to Propnex, 哇，轻松多了，既容易又轻松，是不是这样讲？ You see, buyer you can see the chart with all the volume side. Buyers are inside the stock, very strong. Now, government has already announced the Q3. Okay, in case you are wondering where to get, it's at the URA website. Anybody can have access to this data. So if you love money, you must know how to interpret the data. You go to media releases, there you go. Release of third quarter 2021 real estate statistic. You click this, you go and read. It will tell you the number of transactions. Then you know that, whether this Propnex and ERA got make, Propnex can make money or not. APEC Realty got make money or not. Then it will be crystal clear to you. Okay, so Propnex chart is bullish for a reason. Q3 statistics is not bad. It's not bad. Okay, you go to the weekly chart. Wow, 白蜡烛嘞，白蜡烛叫 buying or selling, buying lor, correct or not? So it is still bullish. You go to APEC Realty. Okay, APEC Realty is ERA. Okay, ERA. It's not Propnex, it's ERA. So APEC Realty, we can see the black candle. Last week, it's not good. Okay, it's not good. So this week, if never continue to go down, it it's stabilized. It means the selling is absorbed. So let's go down to the daily chart to see. Okay, if I come to the daily chart, you can see that there is this BIC pattern. Okay, now Angmo cure flag pattern. This one is called flag pattern. I hope you don't mind my language. Sometimes Chinese, sometimes English, sometimes Hokkien. I try to be your friend. You talk to a friend, you don't speak Cambridge English, am I right? You speak all sort of language, all sort of words. Or I already try not to use vulgar language. Usually all the K word all come out. So I am refraining from that. But allow me to use a bit of Hokkien and Mandarin so that 你会感觉比较亲切，你会感觉比较亲切，你听起来也比较爽。I realize if I speak proper English without any dialect, my number of viewer 300 over. But when I start to talk fierce Hokkien all come out, right? Wow, can hit higher number leh. Very 奇怪. Okay, so this is what we call a flat pattern in the technical analysis. Okay, a flat pattern. So currently it's in the flag. We saw the volume is low. So this flag is performing. Okay, I wish the candle body is smaller. If it is smaller, it will be even better. 整体来讲 it is still looking good, especially with the Q3 statistics looking good. I think APEC, Realty, and Propnex still have legs. Okay, still have legs. So this is their performance. You can see they are 4-star stock. If you go to the ranking, it means that this stock is strong. Okay, this stock is strong in terms of the earnings. We all know even government have to come out. A lot of talk about cooling measure. So they finally come out about the PHL, prime housing in good location. So PHL, prime housing in good location, they make it very difficult for people to make money outside money, like those people who stay Queenstown and Clementi. Wow, $1 million HDB flat. But got one 校委 not very 不给 Desmond Lee 面子，不买账。2 days after the PHL rule comes out, right? Wow, the fella buy 1.3 million in Bishan, HDB 5-room DBSS. 1.3 million 1.3 million last time can buy condo Now can only buy DBSS 5-room Inflation, my friend. Inflation. If today you still save money in the piggy bank or longkong at home, right? You are eroding your money. You must invest. Okay, start from stock market. When you make your money in the stock market, progress to property. Okay, let's go. Let's see. PLH, not PHL, Okay, PLH. 1.36 million Walao. Okay, like GKE. GKE, yet another beautiful stock. Now, those of you who are new to the webinar, you may say, hey, walao, beautiful. Let me show you. Okay, you see this volume spike? Okay, I just tell you a very shortcut. When you see this volume spike, okay, if the candle is not black, it's white, it means good news. 我简单的跟你讲 I used to go into the detail but I go to detail 没有搞头So I straight away I tell you, if you see volume spike and you see white candle, it means this stock is got buyer in control, especially if it's pulling back on low volume. So GKE is very exciting because this is the second time we are trying to get involved in GKE. The first time was when it was doing 1.3 earlier in the year. This area over here. Guys, look at GKE. Okay, look at GKE. Can you see from 132 breakout already key until 168. 168 is a good number because it's called 165 168, 132 all the way 168, right? You must understand what happened here. Then you appreciate that, oh, no wonder it's going up. Okay, so I'm going to show you from mid-March all the way to before it break up. Okay, then you check, you see this high volume spike. Can you see all this high volume spike? Okay, my question to you is, you see the candle is white or black? You see the candle is white or black. So you can see very clearly it's white candle, white candle, white candle, white candle, white candle. Therefore, when it break out, fly. Fly. Okay, so now I bring you to the future right now. Okay, from mid-September all the way to November. My question to you is, Do you see the same pattern? Do you see the same pattern? If you see the same pattern, comment yes. If you see the same pattern, comment yes. Yes. Everybody see the same pattern, no? So the formula becomes very easy. If you see the same pattern, the last time this happened, the stopper, now you see the same pattern, will the stopper to 168? Very simple. So I keep it, I will keep it right here to show you whether per or bumper, you yourself, you determine. Okay? Yourself you determine. Now, I must make a disclaimer. 这里没有买卖建议. There is no buy or sell recommendation here. Here is a chit chat session. I show you the chart. I tell you what to see. You see whether is it bullish or not. So this is like an exchange program. Okay. So you see, wow, very, very obvious. Okay. So like, now you see all this little green dot, right? Green dot means the ranking in the software. So we have got this green dot to make your life easier. Okay, to make your life easier. So what we do over here? So we got two strategy. If you game enough, put 3 CNX 过来 save 3 strategy inside the screener. Now screening for us. Okay, so the result come out last trading day. Sort by rank. Tonight got no 4-star, at most only 3-star. Then you go to the price chart. Then you go and search for the most bullish chart. Tomorrow, this will be your baby. Okay, so let's go. Asian Pay TV got 3-star. Wow, you see 3-star. Look at the trend. It's up one there, guys. It's up one there. Can you see? But I never studied Asian Pay TV program before, so therefore I am not going to because I'm a Netflix guy. I'm not Asian Pay TV, so I skip. What a stupid reason. Capital Corp 来了. Capital Corp investors' favorite. So Capital Corp 来了. Take a look. Okay, so what is Capital Corp doing? Capital Corp has announced its result. Okay, 9 months it has made more profit year on year. So they have successfully turned their business, and most importantly, if you buy Capital Corp, it's because of this reason. Capital Corp plans to sell between $3 billion to $5 billion of asset in the next 3 years. Okay, so and review the O&M business. So it's going to do a transformation over here. Now, it is coming back down, I understand, but this is the mid to long-term position play. Okay, so if you take a look at what it's doing, it is coming back to this RTS level. Can you see there is a horizontal line over here? My blue line, a lot of lines. Okay, let me remove some of the lines so that it doesn't clutter the chart. I used to draw the 2 lines here because I want to buy closer to this level, but bloody hell will come down. So end up buy around the consolidation zone over here. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in. Hopefully lesser line now. Take away this. This one also take away lah. Okay, left this line. Okay, left this line. 530. Okay, 529 is the resistance. Broken will turn support. So right now it is doing exactly that, testing this 529, 530 as a support. Now, when a stock tests support, you must know how to spot undershoot, overshoot, or just nice. Okay, so this one is now coming down. Oh, they got legal case in US. Yeah, you are right. But it is I think it is a 重审, right? It's a 重审. So they have won the case before. The federal Brazil don't give up. Also they sue again. I don't think it's a problem. I think it's only $400 million, right? Capital Corp 有什么都没有，就是有钱。Continue the chart wise. So you want to see whether can it bounce off at this level. Capital Corp. This is the support level. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. Okay, let's go and take a look at the weekly chart. Now, weekly chart, you can see last week, Bosimi good lobang. The chart is candle is very ugly. This week, I look at the chart. honestly speaking, I think the pullback will be steep. Okay, now this is the trend, uptrend. Although it's an uptrend, okay, although it's an uptrend, you can see it is not like very strong. This is a very weak uptrend with very steep pullback. So I think Capital Corp is going to pull back. Okay, but generally, if you can maintain this uptrend line, then it should still be fine. Okay, Capital Corp. So this one is a software telling us that, okay, Capital Corp is now testing at 530. So it's telling us to observe observe. So if you can close higher, let's take a look at the weekly chart. If Capital Corp can close higher above 538, only leh, 6 cents. 6 cents is it's about 1%. Just give 1% by Friday up. It will have a very nice hammer. So everybody should look forward to Capital Corp. Give us a hammer by Friday. Then I think it is fine. Okay, then I think it's fine. So that is for Capital Corp. So there's one idea over here. So our job is to go through and look for the stock with the most beautiful pattern. So you can see we got Tuan Seng, we got Silver Lake. Okay, Silver Lake, see, Silver Lake got leg. See this long upper tail? But Silver Lake is a Malaysia company. Okay, so you have to take note. If they make 100 million, right, they may subject to the prosperity tax over in Malaysia. Okay, so Silver Lake, what is the catalyst over here? Silver Lake SC signs InsurTech teaming agreement with Dynafront. So they have a agreement with this company to do InsurTech. They do development, so therefore no project has been confirmed yet, no contract has been confirmed yet. If suddenly they announce a 20 million, 30 million kind of project win, then that is the catalyst for Silver Lake to propel forward. The next catalyst for Silver Lake is the digital banking license in Malaysia to be awarded in Q1 2022. Now it is November, so come closer to December, maybe things will start to hot up. All those companies, they are vying for the digital banking license in Malaysia may start to move them. Maybe here say this, here say that, and start to move. Our iFast also got is also trying to apply digital banking license in Malaysia. Okay, iFast. But don't hold your hopes too high. You know why not? Because 怎么讲呢? If HSR don't want to do with a Singapore company, right? Why would they give a digital banking license to a Singapore company? 有道理吗，大家? I mean, logically speaking, this one is like coffee shop talk, or it's like we order 3 tiger with the 啤酒妹, then we sit at the kopitiam and chit chat clear. Why they have got CIMB also applying? Why will they give to iFast? I cannot understand. Also, therefore, I never see that digital banking license in Malaysia as a catalyst for iFast. If have, right, bonus for me. Also, 不要抱太大的期望. Okay. SPH deal for Capital Corp. This SPH also very cool. SPH. the deal, the deal is 2.09 Okay, SPH 我有的. So we bought low breakout of this ascending triangle pattern. So we're waiting for the good news So 209 was the offer by Capital Corp with REITs and all that in right? Then Scully, this fella come in, Ong Beng Seng come in. Sorry. How can I call a billionaire this fella? Mr. Ong Beng Seng and Company come in. 做人要有礼貌，对不对？Mr. Ong Beng Seng come in, offer 210. 1 cent different only, but the stock, you see, go to 213 go to 213. So anyway, good for SPH shareholders. I remember last time, GLP Global Logistics property, right? Wow, the bidding war is so fierce. From 160, 180, $2, key. Everybody trying to outbid each other. Wow, that one damn shook. So this one, I think, 没有戏唱about 210, 就是这样而已咯. So right now, we have to see whether SPH accepts the Capital Corp one or the Mr. Ong Beng Seng one. Okay, so this is the SPH, nothing much. Okay, so this is the software. So you can go down the list and look for your favorite stock. Now, SETS only got 1 star because the earnings is just up. Okay, because the earning is just up. You can see Q2 2021, first half of the year, reported loss, then bounce in second half 2021. Okay, so going forward, can it continue to bounce? Anybody's guess. Okay, but likely, yes. Why? Because more planes flying ma, VTL lane titikui ma, more lanes flying. So therefore, there is a possibility for SETS, SI Engineering to report better earnings. Okay, so I repeat, my opinion is SETS and ST and not ST, SETS and SI Engineering to report better earnings. Okay, make sense to you? Hey, one more thing. One more thing. Why I never mentioned SIA? Because SIA, SIA has to contend with higher oil price. That one is a wild card. You have to see whether the higher oil price will affect the profit margin of SIA. Okay, so 今晚讲很多股，so tonight 就是这样多啦。So next, I want to share with you the concept of making money in the stock market by sharing with you my very powerful slide. OK， 每次来到这里就是紧张的时候了。为什么？因为 once you understand this concept, it can help you have a very correct mindset to trade the stock market, to invest in the stock market. That means you know what you are doing. Now, each time you place a trade, there can only be 5 trading outcomes. Okay, what are they? Either you win big, you win small, or you break even, or you lose small. Okay, or you lose big. So these are the only 5 outcomes that will happen to the trade you place next. Now, how to be a profitable investor, trader? Very simple, guys. The answer is already on the slide. That means you don't allow yourself to take big loss. Can you see? If you don't allow yourself to take big loss, based on the 4 outcomes above, you are already profitable. Let me explain to you. Small win and small loss will cancel out each other, and then break even, you don't lose money. So you're left with what? You're left with only big win. Can you see? If you base on these 4 outcomes, only allow yourself to take the 4 outcomes above, you will be profitable. If you understand, hit the like button. This is a very, very important concept for you to appreciate, for you to understand. Okay? So once you understand this, let me introduce myself. My name is Yi Hua, Director of Charts Lexus, and I've been a private trader since 2004. That bull market in 2006, 2007, I was there. The bear market in 2008, 2009, I was there. The bear market in 2015, I was there. And of course, the COVID-19 bear market, I was there. I got a good news for you. No matter what crisis you throw at the stock market, it can only go higher. So do not lose confidence, do not fear the market. Any crisis is an opportunity. Take a look at this. Okay, this is a typical 5-stage trader progression. Anyone who wants to do trading, we have to go through this 5 stages. So a lot of people are stuck in the first 3 stages. Many gave up. But if you do not give up, you will progress to the next stage where you start to make consistent profit. You will start to make consistent profit. Okay, I myself stuck in the first 3 stages for 3 long years before I finally achieved my eureka moment, how to find the winners. Okay, so today, your objective is to find a big win, because like I share with you, small win, small loss, but even will take care of themselves, and it is easy to don't allow yourself to get into a big loss. So your next objective, how to find a big win. How to find, because big win is the one that will make the difference in your outcome. You understand, right? Okay, so today we talk about big win. All right, so it took me 3 years before I know how to find big win, because big win starts from small win. It will slowly ride the trend and become bigger. But the problem is when you ride the trend, a lot of bad news may hit the market. Your stock may come down, but which one to hold, which one to sell become a challenge. That is what I struggled over here. Whatever I buy, go down. I never buy one will go up, or go up halfway, I buy, it will not stop going up. So it is very frustrating. Today, if you are doing this, and let me tell you, there is an answer to your problem. Okay, there's the answer to your problem, and I have the answer. That is why I progress to the fourth stage, beginning to make consistent profit. This is my cumulative P&L to the third quarter of the year. Okay, I will update yet. After the year ends, I will update my full year. So I am up $92,412 realized gain. Now, this is not done through holding only one or two stocks. This is a cumulative trading action. That means I buy, sell a few stocks. So long the trend is finished, I sell. So long the earnings trade, I sell. Okay, so I have my ups and I have my downs. You must accept there will be time a trader and investor will be wrong. So long you can take care of your risk, you know how to look for the big wins, your account will go up. Okay, so how did I do this? Let me show you some of the winning trade, like Sembawang Corp Industry. Okay, so the Sembawang Industry, I make 2.7K in Sembawang Corp Industry, consider big win. The next big win, 4.6K in Propnex. Okay, so you can see, oh, maybe 4.6K, 2.7K, you think, hey, this one not very interesting, normal to you. How about 6.4K, 可以吗? 6.4K in one good trend in Union Gas. Big win. You must know how to find them. How about 11.3K from the semiconductors trade? Okay, so 11.3K. And then the next one is Medtex. Okay, Medtex is the pandemic play. During 2020, you can see the chart over here. It has got very clear buyer in control kind of pattern. So you must be able to find this company, own them, dare to ride the trend so that it will give you the big win. Now, you all saw the 5 outcomes. So long you know how to get the big wins, you will be a winner. Fortress Minerals, 13.4K. Okay, so this is my trading screenshot for you, 13.4K. Now, more big winners. So this is a screenshot of my portfolio realized P&L. So you can see I have got losses. I am not bulletproof. I'm not bulletproof. I cannot get every trade correct. So some trade I try, if cannot right, I just have to cut. So there will be a lot of small losses. There will be a lot of small wins. But what are the ones that stand out? The big wins will stand out. Okay, take a look at this. Small loss, small loss, small loss. The big win is what matters in your trading account, guys. So long you know how to get the big wins, you will end up profitable. A lot of people problem today why they are losing is because they keep taking small win. Small win, small loss, small win, small loss. Then when they are wrong, hold. When they are wrong, they hold. Hold until Holland. Therefore, they will never make money in the stock market. Okay? Now, this is my Singapore mentorship program designed to handhold you every single day for the rest, not for the rest of it, for 1 year. Okay, I'm going to handhold you and trade together with you for 1 year together with my community. So you will have Telegram alerts, trading broadcasts, private FB group for you to ask questions, and the powerful software called SGX Master Pro to help you. So let me share with you, what do you get as a member? Okay, as a member, you get lifetime access to our trading academy. There are trading videos inside. There are also supplementary notes. So you can do on-demand learning whenever you are free during that 1 year. I'm going to share with you how does the academy looks like. So this is the academy. As a member, you have lifetime access. You join one time. These materials are yours for the rest of your life. Whenever you forget, you come here and view. So the first few videos are teaching you how to use the software. Okay, this SGX Master software. Okay, now this software, right? All the video, guys, it's not 1 hour, 2 hours, 15, 20 minutes. So if you can spend 15, 20 minutes of your life in each video, it's going to change your life. It's going to change the way you invest your money. So if today you're struggling with these videos, you will beginning to connect the dots. Oh, 原来 trading 是这样子的啊, then you start to see money. Okay, so the first few video is the software training, and then you have got the second series of the video is about the technical trading, how to see bullish, bearish chart. Okay, and then you have got sell rules, profit taking, when to sell, and then you have got position sizing and trading portfolio management. Now, this is what in trading we call this the money management, risk management. You can be very good chartist, but if you are very freaking lousy in your position sizing, don't know how to size, you buy too big a size, cannot control the risk, you will still lose money. Okay, so these two videos are also very important. So once you see this, okay, if you get the access to these videos, right, as a shortcut, okay, as a shortcut, you come in and view this, you're good to start. Okay, you view these two videos, you're good to start. Then whenever we talk about any stock, like for example, we talk about GKE, you will understand and appreciate why GKE is a buy. Now, we also look at the financial report. So how do you read financial report to forecast the earnings for next quarter report? So this is inside here, this video, very useful. A lot of people don't do this. You are missing out a huge important information that can increase your odds of winning. So if you today struggle to find stock, come and get access to this trading academy. Okay, so plenty of other information is yours for a lifetime. Now, next is the Traders Club private invite page. So this is the page where we interact as the members together with the member on the separate Facebook club page. Okay, with all the members separate. Every day we are here talking together. So you can see today what did we talk about? Where? Okay, GKE. Okay, so GKE we discussed last night in our Traders Club. Every Monday night is our Traders Club meeting, so we discuss GKE. So today GKE, as you can see, hit our VT. See, we use trading code VT, so that means it's time to buy. Then I updated this HNS head and shoulder reversal pattern in Yangzijiang. Okay, so you can see a lot of conversation here about Yangzijiang. So, and KFC. KFC refer to a stock. Do you know what stock is KFC? KFC? Franken. Because Franken sound like fried chicken, Franken, like fried chicken. So our code word for Franken is KFC. So all the members understand, KFC 来了. Okay. And then we have like China Ore. Just now we talk about Fortress Mineral, right? So China Ore. So you can see all this conversation between the member and myself. Okay. We look at the information, we deduce together, is it time to buy or sell? Okay, so this is the information where you can get when you come into the private group. Every single day, we will be there. Every single day. You can see right here. There you go. So every day, I will greet you good morning. Stock discussion, 2nd November today, 9 to 5. So 9 to 5, POM, discuss. If you got question, like for example, you saw GKE, seems like can trade, ask over here. All the member will jump out because everybody hungry to make money. So everyone will jump out and say, hey, okay, so this is the very useful one. So today you got no trading idea, don't know what to do, no one to confirm for you whether you see correctly or not. This page can help you. Now, ESP Master Pro is a software, okay, that it allows you to set alerts, okay, that will send to your Telegram. And you've got FA ranking for the stocks so that you buy only the better stock, avoid the lousy one, the speculative one. Okay, the charts are also delayed real time, delayed by 15 minutes, and you've got multi-markets like your US stock. Okay, you can see this software. This is for you. This is for you. So as a member, you get this. So if you go to the time frame over here, you can see that you can go down to the hourly. We've got intraday chart. During the market hours, it will move. And you can also look at US stock. Let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla. Okay, you see Tesla today gap down 2%. Okay, so you can see it is a real-time chart. It's moving, guys. It's moving. Real-time chart. Okay, you've got multi-markets. So you've got the ranking. Let me go to Franken and show you. You've got the ranking over here, 3-star stock. That is why we are interested. So today, you see, if you do not know your stock, how many star, right? Okay, for example, you don't know Hotong. You like Hotong, right? But you don't know whether is it good or bad. Hit over here. What a bloody good stock. No debt some more. So it can help you quickly assess the health. Take a look at the chart. I tell you already, 3-star, 4-star, your chart should look like this one. So if you are new to trading investment, you start off with 3-star, 4-star stock. 1 or 2-star more challenging, you leave it to us, the Lao Jiao, to trade. Okay, you focus on 3-star to 4-star, then your journey in trading investment will be smoother. Okay, so this is the ranking to help you select the stock. Oh, very, very useful. We have got a lot of screening rules over here. I'm going to include even more. It is really works under development. Members will be great to know that we're going to add in more rules over here. So currently for buying, you can see CNX up, trend master V3, price pullback. Okay, if next time come down, market come down, you to short, right? Then you reverse CNX down and near resistance. Okay, very complete lah. This software is yours during that 1 year. Okay. Oh, I forgot to show you how to draw the alerts. Wow, this one is even more powerful. Okay, right? Alerts. For example, okay, let's talk about, just now we have one stock, right? Okay, let's talk about Capricorn. Now, Capricorn, just now we say, hey, it's bouncing off support, right? So if it bounce the support and break the downtrend line, okay, I'm going to draw the trend line. Okay, if you break this downtrend line, okay. So what I'm doing here is I'm setting this orange line, trend lines alert. Okay, I'm setting the expiry date for the alert. Okay, and you're going to alert me once per candle. That means every day, if you trade above this line, you alert me. No, alert me where? Like this, right? So if Capricorn starts to trade up by Friday, pierce above this orange line, it's telling me that, hey, maybe the trend reversed up. It will send an alert to my Telegram. Okay, so in the software, it looks like this. Okay, you have got a lot of stocks today triggered. Right, Samudera, GKE said early in the morning, GKE trigger 9:20 a.m. Trigger the alert on GKE. Okay, you can hook up to your Telegram. Then your mobile phone will have the notification. Then you can come in and place order. So that is how powerful the software is. Allow you to set your own alert so that you receive in your own Telegram. Then you'll not miss any trade. Now, the communicator learning broadcast is where I will send trading plan to you and my take on the market. It's my personal opinion, but why am I doing this? Is to give those of you who are new to investment closer support. As in, I get to share with you what I feel about the market so that you have a guide to follow. It's like on the beach, right? You follow my footstep. Okay, I walk on the sandy beach. You have my footstep, right? You follow my footstep. Then you can start to walk, and then one day you'll be able to walk independently. So let me share with you some of the trade recently we taken. Like Sembcorp Industry, we didn't buy only this week. We bought 20 days ago. Double bottom breakout. So I share with you, hey, what is the technical setup of Sembawang Corp Industry? Okay, so then the next one is Franken. 19 days ago, when it was doing 215, 220, already have a signal. Already have a signal. So Franken is 19 days ago. But so this week, after 19 days, we start to smell the harvest. Okay, Samudera. Samudera. Okay, Diamante swap to Capricorn 19 days ago as well. Also, we have Silver Lake. Okay, Silver Lake. Franken again. 14 days. So that is 2 setup on Franken. Sarintech. Okay, iFast now. iFast I must specially highlight because iFast, the earnings was like tomorrow. So today it was selling. Also, I warned the member that, hey, this is not a good sign. This is not a good sign for iFast. To go or stay, you decide. Also, these are some of the stocks that we talk about in the community. When I see good, good setup, I will share with the member. Now, I cannot go to the latest one. Okay, I don't want you to copy the trade blindly because if you know how to buy, you must know how to sell. So I'm going to stop here. 5 days ago, that's all. Okay. So you can see those are some of the stocks that we are trading now. This is the Telegram alerts. So after you set your alerts on the stocks that you want, once the trigger, right, it will send a notification to your Telegram on your mobile phone. Very, very powerful feature that can help you monitor the market. Okay, only for members. And you have to set this up. Okay, it's very easy. It's very easy. Let me see. Okay, it's very easy. You come to this Telegram alert in the software. So member only come to the software, hit the Telegram button. You click here. This comes out, right? Then because I already registered my mobile phone to the software. So for you, right, if you are first time, right, it will show you a QR code. Use your mobile phone to scan. I think by now everybody know how to scan QR code. Okay, scan and then your phone will be connected to your personal ESG master account. Then whatever you're monitoring will trigger into your mobile phone. Okay. So these 5 items are yours when you become a member. So our pre-COVID seminar package is 2788 to become a member. So it's 1 year of membership to learn a lifetime skill that will give you a good shot to 5 big wins like this. Now we are running because we are now doing this online, so no more face-to-face. The 278 was because last time we were doing face-to-face. We have got venue calls, we've got event crew calls. So right now don't have. Everything is done online. Okay, support is online every single day. So therefore, we reduce the membership fee to 1,888. 好兆头1888. Okay, and if you divide by 12 months, it's only $157 per month. So today, if you are losing money more than $157 per month, stop whatever you are doing, stop looking for you, and join us. Okay, this is the link to sign up, chinaccess.com/tradingsgx, but don't sign up first because I want to show you more things. So we have got our testimonial I want to share with you so that you get an idea what the members, okay, experience in the program. So this is our mentorship page. So you can see we've got many testimonials over here. I'm going to read right in the middle today. Okay, right over here. So Kevin Su, I've never felt so confident to trade before I joined this training because what I've learned before are wrong in trading. What I've learned from Yihua really helps a lot to get what I've lost in the stock market. Okay, so it's from Kelvin Su, Perry E. You truly get a lot more than you pay. Proper method and strategy, which I feel is the best. The cost you pay worth every penny. So there are many more such members who give their kind words to our mentorship program. So if you have been struggling to decide whether should you attend a program to become a member or not, this testimonial can help to give you the confidence that yes, we are the one that you have been looking for all these years. Okay, so right now, because of our members' testimonial, we are sure that we are providing good value to every member. So therefore, we are confident to give you the 5-day 100% money back guarantee. It is totally risk-free on your side. You will get every single fees back. Okay, every single cent back. We will not deduct any credit card fee or admin fee from you. No. Okay, you get every single cent back. So the risk is on me, not on you. Because if you choose to refund, I will have to pay for your credit card fee. Okay, so risk-free, 5 days to try, come and join us. So the last date to seek this money back is this Sunday, 12 p.m., 7th of November. So tonight you sign up, all the way to Sunday, you get to experience the membership, how we can help you to grow as a trader. So by Sunday, if you decide that you're not ready to commit, then you ask for the refund. Okay, now upon sign up tonight, you only receive the software, the private group access, my trading plan, and the Telegram alerts from the software. But we are leaving out the training videos because this is a lifetime privilege. So if you confirm you're going to stay in the program, then we will activate for you and you can enjoy it for the rest of your life. Okay, so who is us, ChartNexus, and why should you trust our money back guarantee? I want to assure you that if these brokers that you've seen here can trust ChartNexus to provide them the technology support, you can trust us on the money back guarantee. Make sense to you? These brokers are our customers who are using our software and provide to their trading clients, to their broking clients. Okay, we are in the industry for more than 14 years providing technology solutions to the brokers. These are our clients. Okay, so you can be confident about our money back guarantee. So this, once again, the last day is 7th of November, not October. I'm sorry, November. Okay, now good news is we are now running an online promotion because November is Singles Day, 双亿. So your price, your investment is only 1011. If you break it down to 12 months, it's now less than $100 per month. 打油都不够啊 ，100 per month， 打油都不够 ，it's only $84 per month only. What's more, you will save 877. So if you want to save money, this is the right time to join now. And those of you who have been sitting on the fence, no more excuse. I'm giving you a 5-day money back guarantee. Okay, so the onus now is on you. Do you want to take up the challenge and come in and take a look? Okay, so this is the sign up link, chinalysis.com/trading SGX. My admin has already pinned up the sign up link on the comments field, both on YouTube and also on the Facebook comment field. So you can go ahead and click on the link to proceed to sign up. Once you sign up, you will receive a welcome email. Inside, there will be instruction on how to get access to all the software and all the tools, my trading plan, and so on. So once again, November is going to be a very bullish month. 不要错过. You miss November, you come in December, January. If the market goes down, you come in at the wrong time. Ham Jing Bing. Okay, so we have got our WhatsApp, our email link in the comments field as well. So if you've got questions, if you don't want to ask now, you can go ahead and WhatsApp us tomorrow or email to us. We'll respond. Okay, so if you're ready to sign up, come join us. Okay, if you've got question, come ask now. Okay, I give you 5 minutes. Ask the question now with regards to the mentorship program. 哎呀 Karin 帮我说好话。Thank you, Karin. Thank you, Karin. So Karin is one of my member. Okay, you can see that voluntarily he came out and give a testimony on the spot. 谢谢，谢谢。心领了，心领了。好，来 the rest of you, any other questions with regards to the mentorship program? How you become a member can help you? Just ask right now. Okay, ask right now. 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes later, I'm going to Wall Street. So, hurry up. 有 question 快点问，没有 question 快点 sign up， 不要错过这个 November 的 rally 哦。让我播一点音乐好吗？ Let me play some music. Some music. Okay.
Do you want to apply for Singapore PR?
Do you want to apply for Singapore PR?
Well, the bad news is the application.
Expected return per year. Wow, I don't know about you, man. I think it is more important for you to learn how to spot the big wins because you may not be disciplined, but for my own return, okay, for my own return, it's between 20 to 30% for my own return. If the year is super good, right, 40, 50 also no problem. Like last year very good. This year about 20 plus, on track for 20 plus. Bernard Cheng got renewal program or not? Hey, got leh, Bernard. Member who renew early got bonus month. So you can click on the renewal. You go to the software, right? You go to the software. Under subscription, you hit the renew SGX. Okay, Bernard, this is for you. Then you will be able to enjoy the 3 months. No problem, Steva. 来，还有谁有问题的 ？Any question？ 走过路过，不要错过。You see, the market is super bullish there. Wall Street is still up. It's gonna be a good November, at least for this week. At least for this week first. 搞掂 this week, then we see how 啦，係咪咁講？ One more member jump out. Jack, wow, both Jack come up. Jack Beer and Jack Sun. Got early bird. Got lah, 1011 eh. Outside easily 2000 eh. Okay, 2000. 5 markets, Siva, 5 markets. 1000 for 5 markets. Let me show you the market. Hong Kong, KL, Wall Street, Singapore, China. Okay, 5 markets. Thank you for the question. I'm pretty sure some of them maybe. 恭喜恭喜恭喜 Karin recover all losses， 听了就欣慰。Remember 要有信心哦。OK， 再接再厉 ，Everybody 加油加油！啊 ，Tony， 原来你在 Facebook 啊，哎，在 YouTube 啊 ，Tony。Okay, I think no question, Okay, no question. Then, okay, Boon Hui, thank you very much. Okay, Boon Hui, tomorrow I see you at the Facebook group. Okay, don't be shy, talk more. And for those of you who are still thinking, think faster. Okay, and don't miss the November. Okay, I think I will stop here for today. No more questions. So thank you very much for attending. I will see you next Wednesday. Musa member coming back tomorrow night. Okay, Musa, we've got a webinar tomorrow. So see you guys. Bye.